KWIK TUTS.
Doing animations generally require a lot of keyframing and tweaking of the function curve. But did you know you can apply modifiers onto your F-curves in Blender to help you save time from manually keyframing your animations?
Woohoo!
In this video, I want to talk about the Noise Modifier in particular. What it does is it creates a randomized function curve for your animations. I can see this modifier becoming an animator's best friend, as it can be applied to almost anything that you are animating. For example, you can use it to create idle pose animations. You can make your characters shudder in fear, automatically animate randomly rotating disco lights, or create a handheld camera effect with it. So how do I use the noise modifier? Simple. Set the keyframe for your animation so that its F-curve shows up on your animation graph editor. Select the F-curve that you want to apply the noise modifier on, and press N to bring out the hidden tabs at the right. Choose the modifier tab, and add the noise modifier from the drop-down list. If you play back your animation, you will see that your object is reacting to the randomized F-curve now. You can then tweak the parameters to get your desired results. But do note that you cannot animate these parameters here if, say for example, you want to tell the modifier when to start and stop the effect, which in conventional ways, you will insert the keyframe for this value at 0 first, then another keyframe with the value of 1 further down the timeline. To do that, you need to use the restrict frame range parameters here. These parameters tell which frames the modifier should start and stop. If you want to make the effect start gradually, you can enable the use influence parameter and set the amount of frames for how long the ease in and out duration should be. That's all to it. Don't forget that you can still animate on top of the modifier, or add multiple noise modifiers for effects that require different strength values or take place in a different time in your timeline. Thank you for watching, save your file, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hi! Subscribe!